Is it time to change your worn or broken belt on your Can-Am Maverick Trail? Today I'm going to show you how to do that. My name's Kristen, and this is Maintenance Matters. First thing, you're going to remove all of your clutch cover screws. There will be 11 of those. If you have a SuperATV skid plate installed, you may have to remove this lower bolt here to get the last clutch cover screw out. We've done that, so go ahead and remove your clutch cover. You'll need your clutch remover tool. It should be in your factory tool pack. Thread that into your secondary clutch. Put a small washer or plate so you don't damage the face of your secondary clutch. Start threading that in. This will open up the secondary clutch sheaves so it's easier to remove your belt. Once you have your clutch sheaves open enough, you can slide your belt When inspecting your belt, you'll want to make sure that it was rotating the correct direction. If you're going to be reusing the same thing, put it back on the way it came off. As you're checking your belt, you'll want to look for any kind of dry rotting, cracks, or excess wear, or any belt dust in your clutch cover or clutch sheaves. That means you need a new belt. This one's in pretty good shape, so we'll be able to reuse this one. Take a clean rag, go over your clutch sheaves, make sure there's no grooving or gouging inside of the clutch sheaves themselves. If there's any excess belt dust, you can use brake cleaner to get that off. Just be sure that it's dry before you assemble everything back together. Once everything's cleaned up, go ahead and reinstall your belt. Slip it over your primary clutch first, and then onto your secondary. Now you can loosen up your clutch remover tool. Spin your secondary until the belt tightens up. Once it's tightened up, you'll want to check and make sure that the grooves in your belt are in line with the top of your clutch. Now you can reinstall your clutch cover and you're good to go. That's how easy it is to change your belt on your Can-Am Maverick Trail. Happy riding!